Why am I yawning again? Wait, did you just make me yawn? Oh no, it's spreading. It's a chain reaction. The mouse is yawning. The lamp is yawning. Even my coffee looks sleepy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Yawning Symphony. You know what's funny? Yawning is contagious because of mirror neurons. Your brain copies what it sees. Science can be infectious.